if you set one record for a date, but we have a chance of setting 3 records for today. One we already set for snowfall. We did that by mid-morning. Old record 2.9 inches in Grand Rapids back in 1989. We've already received 4.4 inches at least of last check, probably more than that before the day is out. So make sure you tune in to Bill Steff and Kyle Underwood for the latest on that when we kick off things again at 4 o'clock this afternoon with special coverage. The other record, well, if we don't exceed 23 degrees for a high, that'll be the coldest high temperature we've ever had. And right now, as it stands, we have an 8-inch snow depth at the airport. If we exceed that today, that'll be a new record for the date as well. At the station, I measured a consistent 12 inches or a foot on the ground. No surprise then, snow cover on the S-curve and just about every road in West Michigan, especially in and around US 131, I-196, and 96, where the bulk of the snow has been occurring. Pretty good snow banding out there. First, let's head to the north, and you can see one decent snow band just south of the Big Rapids area. So if you're traveling north on US 131, you're going to nail that one just prior to the Big Rapids location. Let's drop to the south, and you can see the concentration of snow. And this is where the most impressive snow has been. Right now, if you're traveling southwest out of Grand Rapids on I-196. Heavy snow once again in around the Hudsonville area. If you saw Terry just a moment ago, Hudsonville coming in with 15 inches of snow since this event began. And also right around, actually, the National Weather Service, Kentwood, Wyoming area, pretty good snow band as well. We'll drop farther to the south. I guess not, but you can see where that magenta is, where most of the snow has been falling. Pure lake effect. Look on the other side of the lake. Hardly any clouds whatsoever until you get into central Wisconsin. That cold air, that Arctic air spilling across Lake Michigan piles right up over the US 131 corridor, and that is why we're getting all this snow, or at least a few of the reasons. Temperatures right now, 19 degrees in Grand Rapids, 17 Kalamazoo, 19 in the Holland. Look at that, 16 currently at noon in the Sturgis area, 20 in Fremont. Then we have that wind out there for the most part. Out of the west, 21 in Battle Creek, 18 in Grand Rapids, 17 in Holland. I checked some of the obs earlier. We've had some gusts up around 30 miles an hour. Of course, that's creating a lot of blowing and drifting out there, and also wind chill temperatures in the single digits. So taking us through the rest of the day, we'll start right at 3 o'clock this afternoon. Still abundant snow showers out there, but watch as we head into the evening hours. We'll start to see these really taper off. There'll still be some out there, but they won't be quite as intense. And eventually they'll do a disappearing act, at least for the most part. Then here comes the next system. No rest for the weary. The next system brings widespread snow everywhere, but it looks like initially with the south to southwest wind, the heaviest snow this go around for tomorrow's system will be right along the lakeshore. So that would be quite a bit different than this past event. And 6 o'clock, still abundant snow showers out there area wide. So traveling will remain quite difficult out there right through Wednesday. On Thursday, the cold continues, and note 90% chance of snow showers. It looks like in the Thursday time frame, it's going to be one of those more west-northwest flow events like we had late last week. And then finally on Friday, boy, we'll be more than ready for a break. Just a few morning flurries are possible, even some sunshine, but still cold. And this is what I find unbelievable. We get the warm temperatures. That's not unbelievable, but with those warmer temperatures, a chance of rain, and we could even see heavy rain at times, especially on Sunday. And anytime you have warm air coming across some snowpack, the chance of fog is there as well Friday night into Saturday. And continuing coverage, as I mentioned earlier, again at 4 o'clock right to 6:30.
That's right. We'll be on early. We'll be talking about this all day.
We will.
Yeah, we're going to have updates too throughout the day, so we'll be checking in. Matt, thank you. And be sure to download our new free Storm Teammate weather app. You'll have easy access to the closings forecasts, and you can get personal notifications when the weather is bad right by you. Stay connected to Storm Teammate wherever you are. Just search Wood TV Weather in the App Store.